Hi viewers, in this segment we are going to see the prose in celebration of being alive. It was written by Dr. Christian Barnard. He is instructing that the state of being alive should be celebrated. Dr. Christian Barnard is the doctor who did the heart transplant surgery for the first time. This prose is a part of his speech. He is sharing about the experiences which he has undergone and how those experiences changed him. Let us see how that change happened in him. As a surgeon of heart transplants, almost at the end of his career, all his thoughts are why people were all suffering. In this cruel world, suffering is an unavoidable one. Do you know one thing? In all over the world, among 125 million newborn children, 12 million children didn't cross their first year. 6 million children were dying before they reached 5 years. In the remaining children, lot of children were affected mentally or physically. All his thoughts changed because of an incident happened before some years. After having a meal, he and his wife they crossed the streets within 1 minute. The very next minute, a car came from the opposite side and hit them. When his wife was thrown away, a car thrashed her away. After that, when they were in the hospital, he was filled with fear and agony. Not only that, he also had anger within him. He doesn't understand why he and his wife are suffering like this. 11 ribs are broken to him and his lungs also got affected. The shoulder was heavily affected to his wife. The question often he asks to himself is why these things happen to us. Even when he has work to do, he will be thinking of this. Patients are all waiting for him for the surgery. His wife have to take care of their small child. He is telling that if his father is alive, he will tell, my son, it's God's will. That is the way God tests you. Suffering ennobles you and makes you a better person. But as a doctor, he was unable to take it easy, patients being in the sweat bed and suffering. At night time, in the crying child in a ward, he is unable to see any nobility. In those days, there is no advanced heart surgery and all. When he sees the suffering of children, it is heartbreaking to him. Mostly that too when their complete hope is on the doctor and the nurse. They believe that they will help them. If that is not possible, they take it as their fate. Sometimes they accept surgery in a critical condition too. Before few years, one day morning in the Red Cross Children's Hospital in Cape Town, he saw an incident as of racing events. That incident gave him an insight about his thoughts that gave him a consolation too. On that day morning, what happened is a nurse forgot to take the breakfast trolley. It was taken by a courageous driver and a mechanic. That mechanic, by putting his head down, he was galloping the trolley. That driver sat on it by holding it by his hands and scraping by his foot on the floor. Because that mechanic is blind and the driver has only one hand. On that day, what they did seems as if it is a show. When he saw the laughing and the applause of the patients, he felt as if it is more entertaining than Indianapolis car race. Finally, all the plates were scattered on the floor before the nurse. Then the ward sister found out them and scolded them. Then they were taken to their bed. Then he is telling about those two children. Both of them are actually the patients in that hospital. That mechanic was 7 years old. One day night, when his father and mother were drunk, his mother threw a lantern to his father. Unknowingly, the catch was missed and the lantern broken over the head of the child. Lot of burns on his upper part of the body and he lost his vision in the eyes. When the Grand Prix was happening with a spoiled appearance and hanging skin on his neck, he was there with a disfigured appearance. When his neck was healed, his lower jaw joined with the tissue very tightly. If this little boy wants to open his mouth, he has to raise his head. After the race, when he met the doctor, he was laughing and telling, do you know something? We won. The doctor remembered the day when he was the trolley driver in the hospital. Few years before only, he did the heart surgery to close a hole successfully to him. Again, he was admitted in the hospital due to a tumor in the spine. Few days before the race, his one hand is removed in an operation. There is a small hope that he will survive. After the Grand Prix, the boy told him proudly the trolley wheel was not oiled, But he was a good driver. Not only that, he had confidence as a mechanic. Suddenly, he realized something, that both the boys have taught him a lesson. That lesson is about life. The true happiness of life is in the sense of words, but not in pleasure or amusement or recreation. The celebration of being alive is the only meaningful thought. He was looking at the suffering from the wrong end. You can't become better person because of suffering, but by experiencing those sufferings, you could become a better person. If we don't experience darkness, we may not appreciate lights. If we are not suffering by cold, we may not understand the goodness of warmth. Actually, what these children teach to him is, it is not important that what we have lost, but what we have is most important. By this moral, the prose is ending up. And stay tuned with Learning Station for further videos.